What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday afternoon. We have got a bunch of stuff to do today. If you want to see what we're up to, stay tuned. So we actually got a bunch of things to do today. I got people mowing lawn, the kids are playing, we're gonna drive. We gotta drive down to our other property and clean up some trees and weed eat around them because I just haven't done that yet. Blah, blah, blah. I haven't done that yet this year. And it looks like garbage. So let's go do that now. Since my last update, a couple people have reached out. My son is getting way better. And you wouldn't actually even be able to tell that by looking at him, looking at his movement, his motion, you wouldn't even be able to tell that he was ever actually in an accident. We got about 3 weeks left and he's gonna go get more scans, I don't know, stuff. And then if he gets the all clear sign, then everything will be back to normal and it'll be like he never got hurt at all. But I appreciate people reaching out. Okay, so I've reached where the property is. Let's take a look here. This is what we got going on today. If you look at all these trees, there's not a lot, right? It's awesome that there's just simply not a lot. So, because this isn't all we have to do today, right? But I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna take all, oh, we forgot to spray. Let's go get the spray and then we'll come back. Hey, go take that yellow jug and set it in the back. Please.
Whoa, this is heavy.
Is it too heavy?
No, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. And the spray is already falling over. Hopefully it doesn't pour out. Nice if we had some windshields. I actually do have windshields. I've had them for like 2 months. I just haven't put them in yet. We're back. Let's get to work. Now that the fence is off, we gotta clean up all these weeds. The tricky thing is, you don't want to hit the tree with the weed eater, otherwise what's the point? You've just killed the tree. I haven't killed a tree yet this year, but I typically kill at least a tree or two every year. Maybe this is my year. Let's roll. On the way back to the house, we come across this bur oak. This bur oak hasn't been cleaned up in a couple of years. Let's do one more. think it's better. I think it's better. Break time's over. Let's get back to work. Task 2 of the day. I need to assemble another garden bed. I need to take the one that's already assembled plus the one I'm about to assemble and take them over to the other side of the house. Oh, it's really hot out here. And get them set where we want to put them. Now, let me show you something. This is the danger of leaving them out here. Like, remember the last video I put one together? It's literally been sitting there since the day I did that. Let me show you what's going on. The longer these garden beds sit out here, the more damage happens to them. Why? Why are they susceptible to damage? What are all these dents from? Kids. If you have kids, keep them away from your garden bed. Don't put it next to a basketball hoop. Don't give them a soccer ball. They'll do everything they can to damage this stuff. Of course, it's not their fault. Just ask them. Sorry, it's not my fault. But they still did it. We're going to get another one assembled. That one and this one, we're going to get set up here, over here. Let's go.
I'm crazy.
Okay, you got to help me. Just come here. Hold it. Harder than it should have been. Okay, the second one's assembled. We now have 2 of them. We got to carry them to the other side of the house. This is my helper. How are we going to do that? If you have a guess right now, pause the video and comment how you think me and Scoot here are going to go carry these.
We have another person, but they're too busy bottle flipping.
That's right. We do have another person, but they think bottle flipping.
No, I'm your partner too.
All right, stay tuned. I don't know if this is a good idea, but this is the idea we have. Come here. Stop dancing with that.
Just
If we put this underneath here at an angle, somebody should be able to carry it there. Here, Scoot, let me do that.
really?
We should be able to do this.
Now that we're on grass. Doing good?
Get it, girl. And Pull. There you go, they're down.
This is cool.
So I don't know if that's our final spot or not. I'm gonna have to come out here and dig them to make sure they're perfectly level, because that's something that keeps Mrs. Woodward Acres up at night. Hey man, you love who you love, you take everything they get, everything comes with them. But so that's the thing that bugs her, so we're gonna make sure that's perfect, tip top. We're not gonna fill these today because, well, that's probably tomorrow's video.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notifications. Bye!
Bye. Peace.